is Kirk Hausman. I'm the head of affiliate marketing over at Bark, the makers of BarkBox. Bark is revolutionary, I would say, in terms of the types of products that we try to bring to market. We try to make things fun and engaging, not for the dog, but for the owners as well. Little nods on the squeaker or little jokes on the tag, things that as you're playing with your dog and as your dog is ripping through toys and tearing them apart, you find little things out about them. There's toys within toys that owners don't realize that they have, that their pet finds out for them. And then you find it in your living room and you're like, where did this come from? Bark's overall growth strategy, I think, is very visual in terms of showing the experience of getting a BarkBox. Partnerships, particularly creators, influencers, content sites, anything with a visual platform is really helpful for us to show and recreate that magic every month that you get with opening a BarkBox with your dog. I think being able to show that video, the excitement of the box showing up on your doorstep, and dogs over time start to recognize that and realize that's for me, that's not a package from Amazon for my owner. They get really excited, and it's a great platform for us to showcase that and really just kind of capture that magic for other people to admire and want. Our affiliate program was a bit defunct at the beginning of 2025. I was brought on at the beginning of the year to relaunch it and bring life back into it. We really felt that there was a lot of partners that we can set up and work with and really show the magic of getting a BarkBox and having that fun moment every month with your pet. I think a lot of the partner sites that we work with that can show all the promotions that we have. We do a lot of gift with purchase promotions as well. Those are really key for us to make customers feel confident that they're getting the best deal at the right time, whether it's pair of Crocs for your dogs or a splash pad for the summer. There's always some type of promotion that we're running to have the customer feel that they're getting the best deal possible, and partnerships channel is key for promoting that. It's interesting, pet influencers, specifically like dog personalities on social, I think have become more for entertainment now. 10 years ago, it was very key for my strategy to partner with all these different types of pet influencers to promote the product. For whatever reason, audiences aren't responding as well in a direct response fashion to partnerships with that. That being said, I think it's a very strong brand alignment to work with pets and pet influencers that we enjoy. Before joining Bark, I was on the publisher side for 2 years for the first time in my career, so I got to experience sort of the full breadth of what was available in terms of affiliate networks. And when I came back to Bark, I knew immediately that I wanted to come back to Impact. It was a no-brainer for me getting that, customized support, customized reporting. Just everybody at Impact seems to really care about what your brand is doing and treats it as if they're part of it. And I think the functionality is just second to none. They're always a step ahead in terms of bringing on new acquisitions or new aspects of the business that will make my life easier. And it's always things that I didn't think I need until they show me what it is and I say I want that. Bark is unique in that we like to work through a lot of different types of partnerships, and I think being able to segment out between our creators, our influencers, our content sites, loyalty, cashback, coupon deal sites, being able to keep them in specific subgroups within our program and operate them as if their own siloed channels for different reasons. I think having that functionality with the different types of groups of partners that I work with is very important for me. Being able to offer different rates, offer different deals without every partner knowing about everything that's coming out there is super helpful for me to be able to strategically engage with partners when I need them, and maybe leave some off that I don't need at a certain time. I think the most exciting thing that's happening in partnerships is how TikTok has really brought into the spotlight affiliate partnerships. There's a lot of celebrities, not just macro influencers, but actual A-list celebrities, The Rock, Oprah, Ryan Reynolds. They're all doing different types of affiliate marketing, whether people know it or not, but The Rock has a link tree in his bio on Instagram. Oprah's favorite page is kind of looking like a Wirecutter page now. And I think it's really exciting to see how many young publishers and creators that are out there are yearning for affiliate partnerships over, I want X amount of dollars to do a single post. They see the value in growing and the longevity of sort of that shared interest of growing the brand and their own, creator profile.